ಹಾಯ್ ಹಲೋ ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಮುನ್ನಡೆ ಚಾನಲ್. ಈ ದಿನ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಬರೀ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಸಹ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನಂದರೆ 80ಗೆ 80 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಚಾಪ್ಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಲಿತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇವಾಗ ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಈಗ ಕೇವಲ ಆ ಒಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂಕಗಳು ನಾವು ಕಲೀಲೇಬೇಕು, 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಕಗಳು ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ, 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಕಗಳನ್ನು ಅಂದರೆ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನ ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ, 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ದಿನ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಇಫ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ zeros ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ p of x equals x square minus x plus k is 2, then the value of k is ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, they are asking to find the value of k. See, if they are given one of the zeros of the polynomial means 2, they are given 2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Then what happens, we can use that 2 in the equation p of x. See here 2 square ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋದು minus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then equals to 0, then 4 minus 2 plus k. Okay na. Again see, we have to shift this, k is equal to minus 2 is the answer. That is B is the correct answer. Next question, the degree of the polynomial x cube minus x square plus 4x to the power of 4 minus x plus 1 is. See, degree of the polynomial means we have to check the highest power of the variable. The 4 is there, that's why we have to write 4, that is D is the correct answer. Next question, x square plus 1 by x square plus 5 is. See which type of this equation they are asking. See, it is polynomial. No, see, it is the polynomial, but here they are given quadratic equation. No, cubic. No, it will get linear. No, then it is not a quadratic polynomial. That is polynomials, we can say more than 3 it will come. That's why D is the correct answer, right? Next question, in the given graph y is equal to p of x, the number of zeros is. See, number of zeros means this curve will passes through like this. How many points will touches the on x axis? See, this is the first point, this is the second point, this is the third point. Then what we have to take? The answer is 3 is the correct answer, right? Next one, see, that is the MCQs question. Now we have to take 1 marks question. Now see, 1 marks question, how they are asking for 1 marks. See, write the number of zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 6. See, it is degree is 3 is there, no, that's why 3 zeros will have. Because why it is 3 means, because of the degree of the polynomial is 3 is there, that's why 3 zeros will have. It will have 3 zeros. Next question, if minus 1 is a zero of the polynomial p of x equals x cube minus 7x minus 8, then calculate the other 0. Then what happens, we have tried for in that question. See, find a value is 1, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to minus 8. They are given, since minus 1 is a zero of a polynomial, minus 1, then I will take that is alpha is equal to minus 1. We have to find the beta. Then what happens, we know the product of zeros is equal to c by a. Okay, product, that is alpha into beta. We can say alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Then alpha we know minus 1, beta you have to write like that only, is equal to c means write minus 8 by a means 1. Then what happens, see, minus get cancelled, beta equals that is 8 only. The other root is 8. Next question. See, sometimes they will ask this is 2 marks also. They will ask 2 marks question also, this one. Okay. If sum of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial 3x square minus kx plus 6 is 3, then find the value of k. Find the value of k. Again, in the equation a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus k, c is equal to 6. The sum of the zeros, that is sum of the roots equals, they are given 3. Then formula minus b by a. 3 is equal to minus of minus k will have. Then it will minus into minus plus cross multiplication. Then k equals what? 9. Answer is 9. See, same like that only. These all questions are asked in the question paper only. Those questions are we are discussing now. That's why concentrate on the questions. Okay. Again, they will ask degree of the polynomial. What is the degree of the polynomial? S3. See, again, what we have to write? See, find the sum of product. That is sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. Sum of the zeros minus b by a. Product means c by a. Formula. Next question, find the zeros of the polynomial. We have to find the zeros of the polynomial. X square minus 3 is there. What is the zeros of the polynomial? Yes, we can write plus or minus 3 will comes, plus root 3 and minus root 3 is the zeros of the polynomial. Again, see the write the degree of the polynomial. Okay, degree of the highest power is 3 is there. That's 3 is the zero of the polynomial. Next, find the sum of the zeros of the polynomial. Sum we have to find. What is the formula? Sum means alpha plus beta is equal to c by b minus b by a. Then we can write b minus of minus 9 by 2, that is plus 9 by 2. Then product, we want product. How we have to take? Alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. What is the c? C means 10. 10 by a means what? 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. Alpha into beta equals 5. This is the product. Product is 5. Sum is 9 by 2. See, these are the 1 marks and 2 marks questions. They are asked in the question papers only. I am going to discussing only questions they are asked in the question papers, in the previous question papers. Okay. The degree of the linear equation is always 1. Quadratic equation means 2. Cubic means 3. But here answer is 1. Again, see the zeros of the polynomial they are asking. See, again zeros. See the curve, they move like this. If it is, see, it will touches the x-axis 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why answer is 4. Okay. If they are asked x is equal to p of y means, then see, it is only 1 point is there. We can write here 1 is the answer. Okay. Yes. Next question. If p of x is equal to 2x cube plus 3x square minus 11x plus 6, then find the value of p of 1. See, put the x in place of x 1. Then see, we can write like this. Again, what happens? 2 plus 3 minus 11 plus 6. Then what happens? That is 0. We can say 1 is the 0 of the equation. We can say it is 0 of the equation. We can say it. Okay. The value is 0. Next question. If 0 of a polynomial 3x square minus 8x plus 2k plus 1 is 7 times the other, find the value of k. It is very important question. See, it is very important question. They will ask, if the question paper is little bit difficult, twist is there means they will ask like this question. See, concentrate on this like this question. First we have to take, let alpha and beta be the 0 of the polynomial, then as per the equation. We can take alpha and beta or p or q, both are same. If alpha is equal to alpha only, then beta is equal to 7 alpha. We know that sum of the zeros is equal to alpha plus beta equals minus b by a formula. Then minus of minus 8 by 3 will get 8 by 3. Then alpha plus 7 alpha is equal to 8 by 3. Add this one, then 8 alpha will comes. 8 by 3. Alpha is equal to 1 by 3 is the answer. Next I will take product. The product of the zeros alpha into beta is equal to c by a. For we know that 2k plus 1 divided by 3. Then see alpha we have to write like that only. Then beta means there we have to multiply, no? We get 7 alpha square equals 2k plus 1 by 3. In know the we have know the alpha value 1 by 3. 1 by 3 whole square into 2k plus 1 by 3. It is 7 by 9. Then 2k plus 1 by 3. Then cross multiplication. We get 7 equals 3 of 2k plus 1. Then multiply. We get the answer is 2 by 3. K is equal to 2 by 3. See, these are the questions they will ask 3 marks question. Now it is a 3 marks question. See, concentrate on 3 marks question because we have to take out of what, no? That's why you have to concentrate on 3 marks question. How? See, what is that? Find the quotient and remainder. They will ask quotient and remainder for 3 marks question. First, p of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. G of x is equal to x square minus 2. We are going to divide the long division method. Long division. First, x square minus 2. See, we have to take here x cube is there, here x square is there. That's why we have to take x multiply by x. We have to multiply by x2, x square minus 2. We get x cube minus 2x. Then interchange the sign. First term will get cancelled. Then see, write minus 3x like that only because here minus 2x is there plus 5x is there. See here minus you will get we have to interchange the sign, plus will both will have 7 will comes plus 7x, right? Minus 3 like that only. Next here minus 3x square is there, that's why you have to take minus 3. Minus 3 into x square minus 3x square minus 3x square, then minus into minus plus 3 to the 6. Then middle term you have to left middle term, okay. Then first term will get cancelled. See here, write 7 plus 7x minus, both will have minus, add it, minus 9. Then we can check by using dividend equals divisor into quotient plus remainder. For by using this rule also we get LHS equals RHS. See, they will ask, this question is 3 marks, that's why concentrate on division, okay, long division method. Next, see, it is very important question because like this questions will have twist, little bit is twist is there, that's why you have to concentrate as question number 6 also. The sum and product of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c are minus 3 and 2 respectively. Show that, see, b plus c is equal to 5a. b plus c is equal to 5a. First one, sum and product they are given, then we have to take first by using, we know that the sum of the zeros is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, they are given minus 3. Then what happens, alpha plus beta, here see there minus minus get cancelled, b is equal to cross multiplication, b is equal to 3a. Next one, product of zeros, so alpha into beta is equal to c by a, they are given 2 value, then c equals cross multiplication, c is equal to 2a. Now we have b plus c, b means how much, we got 3a plus 2a, add these two, b plus c is equal to 5a, this is the answer, hence we proved. That's why concentrate like this questions very important because you want out of out, no, that's why don't miss it, concentrate. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you one and all.